Cool. All right. You might have noticed you have two different split squats featured in this month's program. Okay, we're going to talk about the differences between them and why are we doing both of these things, right? So there's similar patterns for sure, but our front foot elevated split squat naturally makes me a little more upright. You know, the more I pick up that front leg, the more upright my torso gets, which allows me to do a couple things. One, it allows me to kind of train my quad with a little bit more emphasis when I'm more upright like that. It allows me to kind of exaggerate my range of motion in my ankle a little bit, get some back hip flexibility. Well, the way we're holding the weight this month also up in front of us or up on our shoulders also kind of biases that more upright torso position where you get those benefits. Okay. The other pattern is the rear foot elevated split squat. Okay. That pitches me forward a little bit more, which makes me use my butt and hamstring a little bit more. It also puts a little more weight onto the front leg, so it's a little bit harder. But again, I'm dropping down low. I'm holding the weight by my sides for that one, and I'm driving back up. So it's kind of involves everything on that front leg with a little bit more of a glute focus than that pattern does. So just some of the differences between those two. They're both great. Enjoy them.